This battery has some unique features you'll want to check first before buying a new one, so join me for a full step-by-step replacement, including the tools you need and info on the battery size. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. This one had an extra cable connected to the positive, which yours might not have. But speaking of smaller, you might have noticed these terminals look smaller, and that's because they are. This is the only battery with non-standard sized terminals, or pencil type posts as they're called, so that's the first thing you'll need to check. As for the bracket, a degree in engineering isn't necessary. Just loosen these 3 nuts and unhook the J-bolts at the bottom to move the bracket out of the way. Then on the new battery, check that you get the one without the base mounting. Not a train smash if you do, but it might not fit properly in the battery tray. I'll share some info on this battery a bit later. With the battery in position, start fitment in the reverse order with the bracket first. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. It really helps us to make more videos. Then connect the positive terminal first and then the negative. Instead of slamming the terminals into place with force, rather use a big flat screwdriver to extend the terminals while pushing it down. This prevents damage to the lead posts as well as potential internal damage to the battery. Since this is the only battery with the pencil type posts, the dimensions and electrical characteristics should be fairly similar between battery manufacturers. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.